We know you. We know you do more by 10 a.m. than most do in a month. We know that your to-do list would make the most seasoned professional cry. And we know you're a multitasking pro. Which is good, because your boss depends on you, too. Successfully promote ideas and recognize and inform employees, all while unifying your coworkers, all day, every day. Good news, Embroid.me can help. At your local Embroid.me Resource Center, you'll get to touch and feel the very latest in promotional items, ad specialties, and decorated apparel, all in one convenient location. Plus, Embroid.me's unique, customer-centered approach ensures that your Embroid.me specialists will understand your projects, expectations, and goals. It's like they become an extension of your team, which is good, because we know you and your team are swamped. Your knowledgeable Embroid.me specialist will guide you in selecting the ideal products from their impressive selection of over 800,000 promotional products. Embroid.me has everything it takes to make your demanding job easier. Customized solutions, customized decorated apparel, customized imprinted premiums and advertising specialties, not to mention awards and recognition items too. And you won't have to worry about delivery or fulfillment because you'll know a real person is handling your order. Plus, you'll have the buying power of hundreds of Embroid.me owners and operators throughout the world behind you. Embroid.me can handle anything on your to-do list, from corporate branding to safety initiatives or employee recognition to trade show premiums. They'll get the job done right, which is good news because you deserve a break. Cool stuff customized, awesome results. Embroid.me.